There are two ways to make money with HeyGen. The first one is video translation as a service. You can sell these for $20 each, and all of a sudden I can speak Japanese.
ブランドやマーケティング向けのコンテンツの場合、もちろん数字はさらに大きくなります。
You'd be surprised how many people need this, except YouTubers. YouTube has auto dubbing now, but course creators, businesses, well, that's a different story. Here's a problem you're solving. A business has great videos, but only in one language. Every other market in the world can't understand them. Translating professionally used to cost $500 to $2,000 per language and take weeks. HeyGen does the same job in hours, and it's just a few dollars in credits. This is the feature right here. You upload the video, pick the languages, and it dubs the speaker into each one. Their voice is going to be cloned, their lips are going to be synced, and there are many languages here. Now, this video is not going to sell you a course, but you can sell something to course creators. Finally, right? Someone with an online course in English is leaving money on the table in every non-English market. Translate their course videos and they can suddenly sell to the whole world. And then there are businesses with marketing or training videos, product demos, onboarding videos, ads. Any company expanding into a new country needs these localized, and most don't know that this tool exists. You can even offer yourself on Fiverr like these people are doing, and they're essentially creating just something like this.
Looking to make your videos go global? I've got you covered.
As you can see, $20 for up to 3 to 4 minute video in any language. And you can also search LinkedIn for companies expanding internationally or browse course platforms like Udemy for some popular English-only courses. Just reach out with a sample. The sample does the selling for you. Please, always provide some value up front. I get a lot of emails. People offer me to do thumbnails for my channel, and they offer value first. They send me an email like, I redesigned your thumbnail, and then I get value up front. Of course, I'm gonna be more satisfied when I get some results first. One honest tip, translation looks best on clean, front-facing videos like this one with one clear speaker and good audio. So, just target that kind of content first. It makes you look great, the person, and keeps clients happy. Courses are that way anyway, so yeah. Honestly, HeyGen is one of those tools people play with for fun and never realize they could be making real money with it. Use this opportunity before anyone else, and let's go to the way number 2. And it's avatars. Just look at me here. So, man in a suit on stage, well, this is me. What I did here is that I just uploaded 30-second video so it can understand my voice and how I look. And then I wrote a script with this, and this is the result.
This is a test for Income Testing Lab.
Avatar creation as a service. This one has an even higher ceiling. HeyGen can create a realistic AI avatar that delivers any script. You just write the words, you pick the avatar, and it produces a polished talking presenter video. No filming, no studio, no hiring a presenter. Here's why businesses pay well for this. Companies, they need talking head videos constantly, but filming them is a nightmare. You need a camera, you need a person, you need lighting, you need reshoots every time the script changes. With avatars, updating a video is as simple as changing the text. That convenience is worth real money to them. 30 seconds video is $30. Basic package. The standard one, of course, 90 seconds, $80 for it. So what do you actually sell? Well, let me give you some of the options. First, it is custom AI spokespersons for businesses. A company can have their own branded avatar presenting their content. You build it and produce their videos. You become their entire video team for a fraction of what a production crew costs. Second, of course, faceless content channels. Lots of people want to run YouTube or TikTok channels, but they don't want to show their face. You can offer to produce avatar-led videos for them on a regular schedule. That's recurring monthly income. Option number 3 is training and explainer videos. Businesses need internal training. They need how-to guides. They need product explainers. Avatars are perfect for these because when the information changes, you just edit the script and regenerate. If you offer this as an ongoing service, you've got a client who comes back every month. And you know what's the best part about this one? If you sell to businesses, they just need info. They don't need highly realistic avatar, totally perfectly lip-synced. They just need info, right? They don't care about the quality. They just need that avatar to train their employees. Number 4 is short ads and social content. E-commerce brands, they need steady stream of video ads. An avatar can deliver dozens of ad variations fast, so brands can test what works without a single reshoot. Now, how do you price avatar work? Well, single videos for companies go for $50 to $100 depending on length and polish, but the real money is in retainers. On Fiverr, you're gonna earn less, especially when you're just starting out. You should lower the price, but you should know that later on, you can increase your prices, especially if you're working with companies. And you can offer these monthly packages, for example, 10 avatar videos a month, and charge $500 to $1,000 for it. Your cost is the HeyGen subscription and your time. But of course, you can use HeyGen for free in order to just get few samples. As you can see, you can get 3 videos per month, and I'd use this to make few samples so I can just reach to few clients. The creator plan is $29 a month if you take the monthly version. If you take the yearly version, it's gonna be $24 per month, and this is more than enough to get yourself started. Finding these clients works the same proven way. Lead with a sample. Pick a local business or a brand you maybe like. Just make a short avatar video promoting their brand, product, whatever, and then just send it over. I made this for you. I can produce a batch every month. Showing beats telling every time. Okay, where to look? Well, just have a look at these Facebook groups, e-commerce brands on Instagram, TikTok, small companies with weak or no video presence. Just reach out to people who post, but they never show their face. You know, those faceless creators are a goldmine because they already want exactly what you're offering, but they can't do it. They're ashamed or they don't have the money. Let me keep it real with you here. Both of these are service businesses. The tool is cheap and it's fast, but you still have to find clients and you still have to deliver good work. It won't run itself. It's not gonna be a get-rich-quick thing. You're not gonna be a millionaire the next month. Forget about it. If you want real work, something that works if you work on it, this is it. Also, HeyGen uses a credit system. Keep that in mind. And the realistic, high-quality features, they use credits quickly. So price your services so the credit cost is always well below what you charge. As long as you do that, your margins stay strong. And yeah, start with translation because it sells itself the fastest. And then add avatar creation for the bigger retainer income. And lead with a free sample every single time. Make that a habit. It gets you clients. You know what's the most important thing here? The demand is real. The tools are ready, and most businesses don't even know this is possible yet. And that's your window. And that's it. Honestly, translate videos into any language and create AI avatars. 2 services people are paying for right now. That's how this starts.